Hi, fifth grade friends. So we've been working on building really good paragraphs this week, and I want to talk to you about what it's going to look like to make a good 5-paragraph essay. But before we do that, here's what your graphic organizer is going to look like. But before we do that, I just want us to focus on how to make a good body of your paragraph. So the first thing that you're going to do is read the prompt carefully. Think of broad topic sentence that can be supported by details. Then write 3 topic sentences in the organizer. Okay? If you want to use the shorthanded version, that's fine to save space. Then you're going to write 3 details that support your topic. Don't worry about writing full sentences, just get your thoughts on paper. Write an idea for a closing sentence for each paragraph. So we're going to practice. So here we go. What is your favorite holiday, and describe why this holiday is so special to you? So here I've moved to an organizer that I will be sharing with you in your OneDrive account. This one is just on a Word document in case you don't have paper to write with at home. So right now we're just going to focus on the body paragraph section, okay? So the first thing was, our prompt was, what is your favorite holiday, and describe why this holiday is so special to you. So my first topic sentence is going to be about Christmas Eve. Now, this is a special holiday to me and my family. It's something that we celebrate. If this is something you don't celebrate, that's totally fine. So detail 1, we have a 7-fish dinner. Okay. Lots of tasty foods. Okay. And we also have, so we have a 7-fish dinner, we have lots of tasty food, and we have lots of tasty desserts. Okay. My topic sentence for number 2 is going to be about my family. All of us get together. We open presents. And we play games. My topic sentence for my body paragraph number 3, so I have my Christmas Eve is my big focus with the different foods. The other thing is going to be getting together with my family and the different activities we do with our family. And I'm going to talk about how this is a tradition of my family. So I'm going to talk about how my Nana started it. My Nana was my great-grandmother. I also want to talk about how this is an Italian tradition. Okay. And I also want to talk about how, since this is something that is a tradition that is in my family, how my grandfather makes dinner. Whoops. Now, so you can see I kind of just took an idea, and I might move my paragraphs around because I'm not really sure. Maybe I want to start it off where how this is a tradition, what the type of food is, and then maybe like what I do with my family. This is just a way for me to kind of like organize my ideas and my thoughts as to my different body of paragraphs that I would like to add into this essay. And that's kind of what I want you to work on now. So what you're going to do now is you're going to plan the body paragraphs, okay? You're not actually going to write them up. You're just going to plan them. So you're going to have some prompts that I want you to answer. You can either type it on Word on this document here and just tell me on Seesaw that you typed it up and it's in your Share Drive folder on OneDrive, or you can handwrite it out on a piece of paper and take a picture and post it, or you can also go ahead and write it out by hand on a piece of paper.